Hello, my friend, and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So, I hope you all are doing fine. So, as I have already taught you about model number 1 and the model number 2, so today I will discuss with you about model number 3 and how we can use this model. And first of all, I just want you to have a look towards the example, toward the symbol of this model. So, the model symbol will be chaunga. As we have already read about चाहिए and चाहिए था, so today we will study about चाहूँगा and how we can use this and how we can make it. Okay, so चाहूँगा is the symbol of this model. By this we will get to know that this model we are using, this model we are going to use. Okay, so चाहूँगा, चाहिए is like a present and चाहिए था was like a past and चाहूँगा will like a future. Okay, so let's start the class. So what will be the formula? So just have a look. Would like to verb object. So this is the formula, this is the structure. मुझे जाना चाहिए, I should go. Model number 1, as I have already taught you. I hope you that is in your mind. Okay. And मुझे जाना चाहिए था, I should have gone. Model number 2. And the model number 3, मैं जाना चाहूँगा. So I would like to go. Even like some of the people use love instead of like. So they can use, no problem with that, no objection with that, they can use, because it is also a proper, it is also right. Okay, so you can use that. So मैं जाना चाहूँगा, I would like to go or I would love to go, you can use it, no problem with that, because you are following the grammar as well. Okay, so मैं जाना चाहूँगा, I would like to go. मैं आपको बुलाना चाहूँगा अपने घर में, I would like to call you to my home. मैं सलमान खान को स्टेज के ऊपर बुलाना चाहूँगा, I would like to call सलमान खान upon the stage. मैं वहाँ नहीं जाना चाहूँगा, नेगेटिव, I would not like to go. सब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट के बाद would, would के बाद not, not के बाद like, like के बाद plus, like के बाद to, to के बाद verb. I would not like to go, मैं नहीं जाना चाहूँगा. इंट्रोगेटिव आता है तो वुड, इसका आपका वुड जो है वो आपका ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब हो जाएगा, हेल्पिंग वर्ब हो जाएगा. क्या मैं जाना चाहूँगा, वुड आई लाइक टू गो. क्या आप मुझे अपने घर में बुलाना चाहोगे, वुड यू लाइक टू कॉल मी टू योर होम. तो ये इस तरह से ये सेंटेंस को बना सकते हैं. मैं इस मैच को देखने जाऊंगा, आई वुड लाइक टू गो टू वॉच दिस मैच लाइव. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहूँगा, आई वुड लाइक टू मीट यू. मैं आपके साथ कुछ बात करना चाहूँगा, आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक विथ यू. और यू कैन से आई वुड लव टू टॉक विथ यू. वो मुझसे मिलना चाहेंगे, शी वुड लाइक टू मीट, शी वुड लाइक टू मीट विथ मी, या फिर शी वुड लाइक टू सी मी. तो इस तरह से सेंटेंस को बना सकते हैं. ये आपका मॉडल नंबर 3 है. चाहूँगा, चाहिए हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं, चाहिए था हम लोगों ने वो भी पढ़ लिया है. ये चाहूँगा आपका जो अभी पढ़ रहा है. मैं जाना चाहूँगा, आई वुड लाइक टू गो. मैं खेलना चाहूँगा, आई वुड लाइक टू प्ले. मैं उनसे बात करना चाहूँगा, आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक विद देम और आई वुड लाइक टू टॉक टू देम. So you can use this formula. So this is very easy. So this is the end of the class. I hope you have already learned the model number 3 as well, and you have this structure and this formula in your mind as well. So if you want to make negative format as well, so you can make it subject, would, not, like, plus to plus verb 1 plus object, and interrogative will start with would, subject, then like, then to, then verb 1, then object. So this will be the formula. So I hope you all have learned this model number 3 as well, and one more thing I would like to tell you guys, that I just need you to support me and to show some love and to subscribe my channel as well, and to follow my Instagram ID and to follow my YouTube ID as well. Okay, as I have already shared and as I have already attached the link as well. Okay, so I just would request you to please share my videos to others so that they can also learn something from this class. I know it is not being more attractive, it is not being more impressive. The way I should start my class, it is not happening like that. I know that you are totally, disappointed with my class as well. But don't worry, definitely I will try to be more creative, I will try to be more attractive. I will try to create my class in a professional way as well, so that it looks professional and I can speak, you know uh, I can speak also like I can also speak like a professional speaker. Okay, so you are expecting, from me like this, but definitely I will come up to your expectation as well. Till then, I just need you to support me and to share my channel, and please watch my video till the end. I know sometimes I stammer because it is my habit. People say that this guy is just forgetting the sentence, not using the sentence properly. But if you don't know about my habit as well, I know. So like I stammer sometime as well when I speak English, when I talk in English. So I stammer in Hindi language, I also stammer sometime, but now it has become my habit as well. So I just want to remove it as well. So just I need you to support me guys, and please share my video, please share my channel as well to other. Okay, and please show some love so that I can improve myself as well, and I can improve my ability as well, and I can improve my way of teaching as well. So please support me, and thank you so much. Till then, you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.